not one of my usual Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxings or anything. This is one of the additional, like, daily deal offer bundle things that they did that I bought a while back and I meant to film the unboxing of. I definitely dipped into because there's one item in here I've used like crazy, like, since the day it arrived, but the rest of it I've held off on till I could make this video. But the one item I had literally no chill whatsoever and could not wait for it, even if it is slightly different than what they actually advertised in the listing. But you know what? I'm so happy just to own one, I don't even care. So, the first thing that caught my attention, I've noticed this with the bonus boxes that they've been using lately. They're using the hot pink ones for the bonus boxes now instead of, like, the light pink ones like they've been using for the normal Glam Bag Plus boxes. Not sure if that's intentional or if they're just using up their old stock, but I mean, I'm cool with it. At a quick glance of my stuff that still needs to be reviewed, it definitely makes it easy to know which ones are the actual boxes and which ones are the additional things. So, anyways, I'm gonna just get right in here because I really would like to start using this stuff. So the first thing in here, I actually just reviewed not that long ago, and I'm glad that I have technically 2 of it now. It's another little travel size of the Hemp's Original Herbal Body Moisturizer Lotion, but oh my god, I love this stuff. I want the full size so freaking badly. But in the meantime, I'm glad that I now have 2 of this little guy, so I really cannot complain. I'm very happy that this is a thing. But that is not the thing I had no chill over. I finally have a freaking facial roller, guys! Oh my god, like, it is stupid how badly I have wanted one. I wanted a jade one, to be totally fair, but that's not what was in the box. But they had, what they said was a rose quartz one, but what they sent was a clear quartz. But you know what? I don't even care. This thing feels so freaking nice. It's listed as the Master Healer. Now, I have no idea if this thing actually does much of anything. I know that a lot of people like to put on, like, their lotions and serums with it, but honestly, I think it just feels amazing. I know, don't roll down, roll up, but I'm like, dude, it feels so freaking stupidly good. Like, even if the whole facial rolling thing should turn out to be a hoax and does nothing, this thing just feels really luxurious and nice, and I am in love with it, and I cannot tell you how many times a day I just roll this thing over my face, in my neck, because it's supposed to help with lymphatic drainage. So when it comes to the neck, you go down with it. On the face, you go up to try and not worsen any wrinkles. So that makes sense. And then there's a little smaller side for around your eyes. But it's totally, like, really nice and cool and cold, which helps reduce puffiness. I know there have been a few times when I've gone to record when I was really tired, and I was like, damn, my eye bags are a giveaway. Use this over them, and it does help some, just immediately. Just saying. Doesn't totally cure them, but I mean, it does help lessen them. I will give it that. This thing was my deal breaker of why I bought this box, was I wanted this so badly, and honestly, for the cost of the whole box, would be about the price of one of these on its own. So I was like, dude, it's a done deal. Everything else is just a bonus to me, but this little guy is what I was after, and oh my god. Should I happen to come into acquisition of a rose quartz one later on down the line, and or a jade one, I will be an even more happy camper, but even with this one, I am super stupidly happy, just saying. Many of you know jade is my favorite stone, and all growing up, rose quartz and crystal quartz were my favorites. So I'm like, between the 2, man, I'm just happy with the whole facial roller thing. It just, oh my god, it feels so good. It does warm up to body temperature after not too long of doing it, but just set it down, come back to it a few minutes later, and do it again. It feels really nice. It's like a little massage for your face. I'm just like, oh, dude, it feels so freaking stupidly nice. I love it. It helps improve circulation. I'm sure you can tell there's a rosy glow across my cheeks just from rolling this over it, because it's improving the blood flow there as I do it. It's really nice. I really love this thing. Cannot highly recommend them enough to you guys. This is not a review on that. It's just a dude, I freaking finally have them, and yes, I know it's like a trendy Instagram item, but you know what? Fuck it, I love these things, and I'm so glad I finally own one. So then, there is, I think this brand is called Rep, and it stands for Real Elemental Practice. It's a bio-fresh mask with real calming herbs, so you guys can see it. Formulated without 6 major parabens, sorbic acid, benzyl alcohol, propylene glycol, BHT, benzoic acid, benzophenone 3, chlorphenesin, salicylic acid, triethanolamine. It's dermatologically tested. Let's read the stuff on the back that's actually readable. Wash-off mask made with natural herbs that soothes, calms, and hydrates skin. Contains calendula and chamomile, which help gently exfoliate and stimulate circulation. You just apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Use your fingertips to massage the product into the skin. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Now, obviously, a tube this size, you're not going to get a whole lot of wears out of it, but you can get at least an idea if you like it or not, so I still count it as a win. I'm happy with it. Then we have, by Busy Beauty, these Instant Glow face wipes in cucumber mint, which sounds delicious smelling. There's 6 of them in the pack. Directions: gently wipe across face, remove dirt, oil, and odor. Your guys' face has an odor, mine doesn't, so I don't know what that's about. Safe for all areas and skin types. It hydrates and moisturizes with the aloe, the chamomile reduces inflammation, the oat gently soothes, and the cucumber tightens and smooths. Honestly, sounds pretty darn good if you ask me. So I'm not sure if these are meant to be, like, makeup removing wipes, or just, like, its own little mini facial in its own thing. You guys should let me know down below if you guys have more info on these. These I have no idea if I'll use or not. I would like to, but I've never successfully managed to get a pair of them on. But the packaging is so cute. A lash pop! It's false lashes that looks like a lollipop. This is like the cutest damn packaging I've ever seen for false lashes in my life. On that perp! So, natural-looking, vegan, cruelty-free synthetic fibers may be worn several times. Lash glue required to adhere. Detached stick for easy carry. I kind of want to leave the stick on there, honestly. So, they're not going in a purse or anything. So, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to leave it. But, honestly, that is so damn cute. And so, very Ms. Minnelli, if you ask me. I'm just like, dude, I need to figure out how to wear these. Because I need to know what I would look like with these big, dramatic, awesome lashes on. And then, finally, the last thing in here totally makes me think of the Visco Girls trend that kind of, for as quickly as it popped up, it seems like it died out now. But we've got Scunchies. They are by the brand Gumi Couture, 2-in-1 hairband and scrunchie. Oh, I didn't know it was a hairband, too. Ooh, sleek and stylish. Markless hair loop. 2-in-1 hairband scrunchie. Let's try and open this up and get a better look at them. Because I didn't know it was a hairband, too. I just knew it was a scrunchie. Where the hell does it open? Oh, right here. Okay. They're really cute. I know there was a different pack that had these in it too, but they were better colors in that one, but I shall persevere and survive. So, we've got this little beige one here. First, let me set the box down so I have better free hands. Just looks like a normal scrunchie if you ask me. But I see. Wow, that has a coil inside of it that's pretty big, actually. I'm very surprised by that. But, like, really, though. Where did I see the thing? Yeah, see, on here, look at the thing on the side. It shows a scunchie with the little wire thing. I feel the wire in there. I'm like, is there a way that it opens up and unfolds out further to, like, headband status? Or do I just stretch the ever-living fuck out of it? Or what do I do here? Let's try it that way, just to fucking see. Like, whoa, okay. That, I suppose, could be a thing. It's really tight. I don't know if I like it that way. Apparently you can wear it like that. I don't know that I recommend it, and now I just jacked my hair up. I have it pulled back, but this is gonna get all wonky the second I pull it off. Why did Yep, damn it. I knew that was a mistake going in. I knew it was. I did it anyway. Is this open? Nope. That's so strange, though. I probably just stretched it all to fucking hell to where it's not gonna do the thing correctly. Well, let me try and wear it as a scoochie now. Since I wrecked the hair anyway, screw it. I mean, I've got a braid in there and it's going around it, so I'm like, I'm kind of surprised it's got that much stretch on it, but okay. I can get three. So, we can't really... Alright, if I turn around, you guys can see it. I won't be able to see it, but you guys can see it. Yeah? Maybe? Is there a mirror nearby where I can see it myself? Because I want to see how it looks. I'm like, I thought I had one here. Maybe not. Where'd my mirror go that used to live over here, guys? I used to keep one nearby so I could check the... Wait, I have a little compact. That'll work. That'll work. Let's use that. Because I don't know where the big one went. If I can get it open. Oh my god. Well, sorry, just painted nails, you got jacked. There we go. Okay, so, let me try and do a thing here for myself. Can I see it? That really, okay. I can kind of see it back there, kind of, sort of. A roundabout kind of way. Alright, that's cool. But I totally fucked up this braid, though. Poor braid. Oh well. Oh well. Poor nail polish, too. It was still soft, so... oh well. Oh well. We're just gonna go down and over it. See, it's really bunched up. But yeah, I jacked up this poor braid. Nope! Damn it. Well, I'll try and get my... Oh, both hair ties came off. That's not good. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's see if I can fix this. This video took a turn that I didn't know it was going to take. I'll just have to deal with the frizz. The whole point of putting in the braid is to try and prevent the frizz while it dries, but the waves happen either way, but it's just to control the goddamn frizz, but oh well. Oh well. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting the higher one back in. Oh well. Where'd it go? It's right there. Okay. I'll just stick with the lower one for now until it feels drier and hope it still does its thing. It's in an inverted ponytail back there, so it should be okay-ish, I think. Maybe. Maybe if I clip it. There's a thought. I could use that. Haha. That could work. It's gonna have to work, because that's about the best I can do with it. Come back. I'm not done with you. Jesus. So, side by side we see the highly stretched out one versus the not stretched out one. But we all know I can't leave well enough alone, so screw it, they're both getting stretched out today. Yeah, I don't know how small this woman's head must be for that to actually fit as a headband on her, but I'm not buying it. I am not freaking buying it. I don't know how long the back of her head must be if she's wearing it down on that angle, but there is no way that is going to fit me correctly like that. But again, I'm not trying that today because I've already jacked up my hair enough playing with these things, so I'm just gonna toss them back in the thingy for now, and that'll have to do. But yeah, for, I believe it was either 14 or 16 bucks for everything in here, I'm like, given that was about what this is alone, getting all the other stuff with it, oh wait, this doesn't go in there, what did I do that for? Yeah, everything else was just a really nice bonus to also get additionally too, so just saying, poke myself in the eye with the glasses, genius. But yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys because I really wanted to be able to start using the stuff that's in here besides the facial roller, and now I can, now that I unboxed it for you guys. So anyways, that's it for this one, this train wreck of a video that took quite the turn. So anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye.